Cardano ADA will therefore hit $15, predicts Bitboy Crypto. It's challenging to put the genie back in the bottle once you've let it out. This is precisely what is taking place right now with Cardano ADA. There is now a bullish opportunity, and the only thing we can now expect is a flood of new all-time highs. Welcome to Cardano Insider, where you can get the most recent ADA Cardano news. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on exciting developments. Watch to the very end if you want to learn more. There are 50 Cardano ADA coins up for grabs. Simply put, Cardano is king. We will reveal the lucky winner at the end of the month. ADA is poised to reach $15, says Bitcoin cryptocurrency specialist Cardano. Cardano ADA has been struggling with significant volatility over the past several months, which has infuriated practically all investors. Early in June, when the VESA upgrade was anticipated to occur by the end of the month, the price of ADA spiked. However, by mid-July, testing had found issues that had to be fixed before the hard fork could take effect. The price then increased 3 times in late July, but it was unable to maintain these advances over the 50-cent mark. Similar to how Ethereum is undergoing a number of improvements. In March 2021, Cardano was putting into practice a number of hard forks to broaden its feature set. Following the Alonzo hard fork, which enabled smart contract capability, the ecosystem saw the advent of the Mary hard fork, which made it possible for it to become a multi-asset platform. Then the Vessel hard fork arrived, which seems to be the rage right now and offers a ton of tremendous potential. The Cardano head, Charles Hoskinson, stated in an update on August 1, 2022 that this is the most difficult upgrade to Cardano in his history because it involves improvements to both his programming language Plutus and the consensus protocol, as well as a long list of other things. Past performance does not, of course, guarantee future results. This story is fairly typical, but it's equally crucial to remember that Cardano has a history of setting records, which will set the bar for expectations going forward. Don't, however, place all your eggs in this one basket. It is only one of many things to take into account. Of course, in order for Cardano to maintain this pace, it will need to clear some obstacles, and doing so could have an impact on a number of other elements. Common crypto Bitboy YouTube influencer Hard Donald is expected to cost $15 in the future, according to Crypto. And this served as confirmation of the government's position. According to Tim Groverdella, Cardano ADA is now closer to achieving the trilemma of security, decentralization, and scalability than it was when he set his long-term price target for the cryptocurrency. A $15 price point, according to the cryptocurrency specialist, is not outlandish. The one takes into account that in July of 2020, the price of ADA was around 12 cents. It increased 2,300% outside of a bear market to just about $3. August 2021, during the start of the following bull market, this prediction would have been more dramatic, around 1,000 if he had made it during a bear market. ADA, given that the price is currently falling during a bear market, it may not be improbable to think that it will rise during the following bull market. Additionally, the Cardano Foundation released the most recent monthly on-chain numbers for Cardano, which is fantastic news for ADA investors. The foundation revealed in a tweet to his over 825,000 followers that the number of native token wallets, PLU scripts, transactions delegated wallets, and policies had all skyrocketed in September 2022 or doubled monthly on-chain growth. The tweet was sent out in honor of the first anniversary of the Alonzo hard fork. This month, there has been a noticeable increase in important KPIs across the board, including the use of smart contracts. The AGA friend Jack, who works in the marketing and communications department of IOG, reported that there were 100 projects launched on Cardano, 1113 projects building on Cardano, 6.1 million tokens, 3,307 Plutus scripts, and so far there have been over 50.3 million transactions. But let us paint you a proper picture of how things have changed for Cardano in the past couple of weeks. The Cardano price is currently exhibiting a dearth of eager buyers, which has caused it to fall below important support and cause a bearish market structure breach. There is a narrow window of opportunity for this development to recover. If it does not, a sell-off may occur. The bears are still under Cardano's command, though. Although it seems that ADA holders will continue to experience short-term pain, the medium and long-term outlook for the industry is still very positive. The network offers us scalability, energy efficiency, and speed and has as much potential as any in the entire field. There were numerous positive indicators, according to a crypto news piece published earlier this week, that suggest Cardano could perform well during the upcoming bull run. This is anticipated to happen sometime in 2023, when the Bitcoin halving date approaches and the Ripple's v. SEC court dispute is resolved. Furthermore, Cardano continues to build and develop its numerous modifications, including the vessel hard fork, unabatedly through 2022 despite the price decline. Although they haven't yet caused a short-term price change, they have made the blockchain more welcoming to DApp developers than before. With wallet holders, who range in size from modest holdings to whales, the number of holders is also constantly growing. During the bad market, they kept building up their ADA holdings. The Ethereum killer now appears ready to live up to his moniker in the NFT market, thus you would wonder why there is this amount of intrigue considering the state of the market. Solana has long held that position, but following the announcement of its departure, Cardano ADA has seen record volume. According to the description provided by CoinMarketCap, this is the beginning of the next NFT gold rush, as 1/8 Society collection sold for a record-breaking 180,000 ADA. This Cardano NFT recently sold for $65,000, demonstrating once more that none of us understands what is happening. POF Yachi posted about the frenzied buying of Cardano. NFTs caused networks to see an increase in activity of 97,959, which represented a 75% month-over-month increase. Despite the confidence for long-term growth, some people still think Cardano will reach $15 in the upcoming bull run. Yes, Cardano has potential, but its critics will never stop reminding you that it hasn't yet fully realized it. Charles Hoskinson, however, consistently counters criticism and opinions that dim the project's possibilities. Hoskinson stated that 200 individuals were working on the Cardano platform, with 100 of them solely focused on ADA, during a YouTube AMA session a few years back. He remarked, "I guess some people who mistrust the future of the project would want to pay attention to bogus news, in reference to those who have doubts about the project's viability. They seem unaware that these are some of the most challenging protocols to implement since they prefer to focus on the most recent sycophant or inflammatory of the week. The development of the blockchain and the cryptocurrency there is no code we can copy was also described by Charles Hoskinson. We're doing incredibly difficult things," he added, "and there is no source space from which to fork. There aren't many individuals that are optimistic about Cardano's future right now. There was hardly any depop about it, even after a significant technological advancement like the vessel hard fork went online." In spite of this, Charles Hoskinson has reassured the neighborhood that he has next-level plans for future development. Furthermore, prominent supporters now assert that Cardano may someday surpass Ethereum as the most well-known Layer 1 blockchain. Up until recently, despite Cardano's claims to be a top-tier blockchain, the most frequent criticism of it was that no one was building on top of it. The potential of Cardano blockchain has, however, been substantially elevated by technical advancements from the previous year and this year. It is demonstrating strength in regions where it has consistently resisted Cardano action. The performance of blockchain is booming in terms of total value log. The most important thing to keep in mind is that nothing in cryptography is automated. Cardano won't surpass Ethereum or get above $15. Even the most optimistic Cardano fans now agree that the cryptocurrency will not overtake Ethereum anytime soon, but rather during the next 6 to 10 years. Right now, only $12 billion is the market valuation of Cardano. Because Ethereum has a market cap of $156 billion, Cardano must advance much more quickly than Ethereum to bridge this enormous distance. To overtake Ethereum and hit $15 in the upcoming bull run, Cardano needs a huge concept. Ethereum's developers won't just give up on it after making a few minor adjustments. In a different blockchain, everyone chooses the greatest option to make Cardano more appealing and popular. There needs to be a catalyst for change, and perhaps Charles Hoskinson has one. Cardano needs a lot of things to go right, thus investors must be quite patient to see this outcome play out in the end. What do you think about this? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. In the following video, we'll see you. To learn how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer, watch some of our other videos first. Be careful to always click the subscribe and notification buttons. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business.